Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, unrelentless, something like that. We are up 6 cents, 26.70. Up, that's 0.23%. Post-market, we are down 10 cents. So instead of staying above 25.74 and just hovering over that support, Palantir has been going up like this. The past week, we have been hugging this resistance, so it's almost too good to be true. Almost too good to be true. We are making higher lows and higher highs. But now we have a hangman, each candlestick patterns, longer wick, smaller wick at the bottom or top, and the size of the body. Those are called candlestick patterns, and some have names and they have some signification. The hangman is indication of a reversal. So maybe we are going to see a little bit of a reversal short term with Palantir because of this candlestick pattern. We'll have to see. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So what happened during the day? We have been on 26.24. So 26.24 has been a support for us. So we tested it today, then went sideways, close to that support, 26.24, and then came back up. And if we look at stochastic during the day, this is interesting. So stochastic went down. Went pretty low at 44, under 50, yet the stock did not bulge. This is an opportunity to show that it's not the indicators that are more important, it's the stock price and the action and the candles that are more important, because seeing a stochastic of 44 might have told us this is going to just go down and 26.24 won't be able to survive. But no, look at this, it just went back up. Quite impressive to see this little move here. Let's go back to the daily chart. As I mentioned, we are between 25.74 and 27.27, and we are on our way. This is what we want to happen. We are on our way to 31 bucks. This is what we want to see. Of course, we have this hangman pattern that might throw us a wrench. Let's go see the indicators. So stochastic still super strong at 96. RSI broke the resistance that we had put for the strength of the stock when the stock was in this congestion zone. MACD still going up stronger, and we have a weakening here. We have a weakening here on the bullishness of the stock expressed by the DMI. And we also a weakening of the bearishness of the stock. All in all, very interesting with Palantir. It's hard to say for sure what is going to happen, but check 25.74 as a support. If you are a short-term investor, 25.74 might be a nice way out. But if it keeps hugging that resistance and going higher and higher, who are we to complain about that? Let's just leave the stock alone. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month to get access to my exclusive monthly and weekly technical analysis videos I do on the weekend. You can also tip me $20 if you want me to do a technical analysis of a different stock in a separate video. You can specify that in the comment section below. I'm going to wish you a great evening. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.